All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 005361 and 2026 CR 005365, State versus David Quay. Can I have parties announced?
Brandon Lopez for Mr. Quay.
Are you Mr. Quay?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
We have, Your Honor, and we did.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery in each cause number. Mr. Quay, on each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We waive reading, Your Honor.
State your proceeding as presented.
Yes.
Mr. Quay, on each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with theft for property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions in each cause number. Those are state jail felonies. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial or dismissal. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront. I got it. Any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Quay, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine, 1 year in the state jail facility. There are no applications. These cases are to run concurrently. The state will take in consideration 2026 CR 005366. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense and state?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to each cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Judge. Proceed off for State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments and boxes.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state you may be excused. In each cause number, did you review the stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, in each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we're just asking the court to follow the plea bargain as laid out.
All right, why do you keep stealing?
Just, I really still have a job.
All right, so what if everybody who was homeless and didn't have a job went into Old Navy and started stealing everything? So what else is going on? Because there's more than just, I don't have a job.
I didn't have no money, still. Most tell you do is steal and give you some money.
So why haven't you gotten employment?
It's hard for me. I don't have no vehicle and I'm homeless out there.
Well, that's what a VIA is for.
Sorry?
That's what a VIA is for. Not everybody has a vehicle, but they don't end up stealing.
Right.
So it appears that you just want to continue stealing through your life. And what I can tell you is at some point, you're going to be listed as a habitual and you're looking at 2 to 20 years in the prison. So maybe that's what you want to do with the rest of your life, spend it in prison. But if you don't change your ways, that's where you're going to be.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And in 2026 CR 005361, the court is finding you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to $1,000 fine. Time and money will not run concurrent. There's 1 year in the state jail facility. There's credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with any Old Navy anywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
This will run concurrent with 2026 CR 005365. Taking consideration 2026 CR 005366. There's to be no residing in households with minors. Do you have any family? Mom, dad, sister, grandmother, uncle?
Mom deceased and my dad, I don't have contact with him.
So there's no family support system for you. All right, in that cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. We're going to move on in 2026 CR 005365. And that cause number, the court is finding you guilty. There's to be no contact with any Old Navy stores. No residing in households with minors. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money will not run concurrently. There's to be 1 year in the state jail facility. This will run concurrent with 2026 CR 005361. And that cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you will need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right.